Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 3 best central vacuum powerheads in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Vacuflo Turbocat Central Vacuum Air Turbine Brush. Maybe you're in the market for a powerhead that doesn't require additional power to operate. If that's the case, then Cen-Tec Systems Vacuum Turbine Air Brush is a good option to consider. It's important to note that the airflow generated by a central vacuum system is powerful enough to get this powerhead to work. This is exactly why it doesn't need batteries or additional power to work. In fact, the design of this powerhead's turbine allows air from the central vacuum to flow flawlessly, thus establishing a constant contact with the floor. This powerhead is somewhat quiet, it doesn't make any annoying noise, no matter how long it's in operation. As such, it's a good option for someone who prefers a quiet powerhead. The best thing about this powerhead is its flexibility. It can clean different floor types with ease. It can also reach and clean the legs of different furniture sets. Pros: lightweight. 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Works with multiple central vacuum brands. Good for multi-surface cleaning. Cons: some people may find it a bit noisy. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wessel Werk EBK360 Power Nozzle with integrated wand for central vacuum systems. Wessel Werk EBK360 Power Nozzle is cheaper than SIBO ET1 electric powerhead. And it has an integrated wand that easily fits any central vacuum system. The 5-position manual adjustments easily align with different floor heights. And apart from its ability to clean area rugs and carpet floors, this power nozzle can deep clean different carpets in the shortest time possible. The 5-position manual adjustments are particularly useful when working on different carpet heights. A flexible foot pedal on the head of the nozzle lets you switch from one level to another, depending on the height you plan to deal with. Level 1 is the lowest setting, and level 5 is suitable for soft as well as plush carpets. The levels between 1 and 5 should work well for low, medium, and high pile carpets, in that order. In your vacuuming task, you'll come across dark spots that are difficult to reach. Having put this into consideration, Wessel Werk integrated LED headlights on this nozzle to make it possible for you to reach these areas with ease. The lights illuminate dark corners of a room, allowing you to collect all particles with ease. Although the power brush is an important feature of this powerhead, it's not exactly something you'll want to use all the time. For example, it wouldn't be necessary for bare floors. In this case, the air suction of the powerhead is usually good enough to do the vacuuming job. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Central Vacuum Kit with Hose Powerhead. The 35-inch Comet Central Vacuum Kit is a creative innovation that makes cleaning easy. It's dubbed a 4-piece toolkit that gets the job done right. It comes with everything you need to effectively vacuum from start to finish. This kit includes a 12-inch floor brush with wheels, a duster, a crevice tool, and an upholstery tool with a removable brush. Additional accessories include a caddy bag, a ratchet wand that you can easily use with a floor brush, a red dust mop, a wall holder, and a hose hanger. All these make it easy for you to manage the kit and get your vacuuming job done in time. The long hose, which is made of crush-proof material, isn't just sturdy and durable but also compatible with all 1.5-inch inlet valves. This kit's central vacuum system includes an exceptional strain relief system which does 2 things. It ensures there is consistent suction and protects the hose from twisting. Apparently, the handle can swivel up to 360 degrees. And with a soft, lightweight grip, this unit should be very easy for you to handle every step of the way. Pros. Crushproof hose. 35 feet long hose. Durable, can serve you for up to 10 years. You get additional accessories for the price. Works well with standard unit inlet valves. Has a wand tool attachment. Deep cleaning power. Cons. The connector is somewhat small for some people. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.